Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends on Threads application. Keep watching the video till the end. To invite friends on Threads, firstly go ahead and open up your Threads application. The home page of Threads application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on the profile section of your Threads account. Tap on two lines at the top right corner of the screen, then click on follow and invite friends. You can invite your friends through Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, email, or you can also share your profile as well. Choose one of the options and send it to the person you want to invite on Threads. This is how you can invite friends on Threads application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.